If your screen is blue, the other schools see you all blue and they cannot hear you, or they can hear you but they cannot see you properly. There are problems with the quality of the call, and there's no way they can fix it from their side. You have to go to the servers section, which in our classroom is here, and you'll have to open this. And you have to switch off the servers completely. Classroom, switch on and off. You count up to 10 and switch them again. Then they restart, and you can then dial up again the classes, the schools. And of course the system will restart itself. Or it should. Sometimes it may take a while.